The small purple black berries, falsa, is a fruit of the tree, botanical name Grevia asiatica, which is native to Pakistan and other countries like India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Cambodia, and Thailand. It is a small tree that grows to the height of 15 to 20 feet and bears sour, sweet, tangy, reddish purple fruit which resembles to blueberries. This tree produces fruits during the peak summer months of May and June. This fruit consumed for its cooling effects in summer as well as for its other health benefits. Its leaves are used as cattle fodder. Branches are used to make baskets for transportation, vegetable and fruits. Wood is used to make spears, handles, poles, and bark is used to make rope and as a substitute for soap. Seeds contain palmitic, stearic, and oleic acid. Pulp contain good level of potassium, low in sodium, rich in vitamin C, calcium, phosphorus, and fibers. The peel of the fruit has highest antioxidant activity. The increasing use of nuclear radiations for the welfare of human beings has some undesirable side effects. So scientists are looking for safe radio protectors for a person who are in direct contact with these radiations. A research group working in India found that falsa contain natural radio protective agents. Water extracts of the fruits and leaves showed significant anti-cancer activity against liver and breast cancer. The results of different studies suggest that leaves and fruits extracts of falsa act as a potential agent for management of human cancers. Malaria is a seasonal disease transmitted by mosquito bites that affects many people, particularly in the rainy season. Falsa has analgesic or painkiller properties and help to reduce the body temperature in fevers and discomforts often experienced in malaria. Drinking falsa juice with some lemon and ginger extract is a wonderful technique for pacifying the irritating lung issues like asthma and bronchitis. It is said that the falsa fruit help to relieve swelling. This make it beneficial fruit for healthy heart. Consumption of falsa normalize and even maintain the heart rate and blood pressure. Falsa help to treat low urine output problem because it stimulates the passage of urine. Physicians advise it as the safe and organic option to treat burning sensation while passing urine and also help to treat acidic urine. Falsa juice aids in relieving digestive problems like excess acidity and indigestion. It also has been used for centuries to treat liver and gallbladder problems. Wash falsas thoroughly, grind the berries in the grinder, strain the pulp, and add chilled water and sugar according to taste. Squeeze one lemon to increase the goodness and enjoy the healthy and refreshing drink. Stay healthy, stay aware, remember me in your prayers.